Hello children, how are you? I hope all are happy. I am Vijayalakshmi Patil. I am handling social subject for 9th class. Now I will introduce the social studies on the base of NCERT syllabus. Here we have four components such as history, economics, geography, civics. In this total 18 chapters are there. So let us introduce with the history part. In this, four chapters are there. Among that, today I am going to explain you the French Revolution. French Revolution. Here we have many subtopics. French society during the late 18th century, the outbreak of the revolution, France abolished monarchy and becomes a republic. Did women have revolution? The abolition of slavery, the revolution and everyday life. These subtopics we are going to learn in this French Revolution. Now, French Revolution. When we talk about the French Revolution, first we remember the word liberty, equality and fraternity. Nowadays, every country are asking having equality without any discrimination. Every country provide to feeling of equality assurance to the people irrespective of caste, color, creed. These words claiming to establish the French Revolution, and also these have made a great history in the world. So, French Revolution, which happened in 1789, inspired the many other countries coming here to fight for their freedom struggle. How they abolished the traditional monarchy? How did they fight? What happened? We will see in this lesson. So let us begin with introductory notes. Subtopic State of Alarm. 14th July 1789. This day has to be considered as an important day for the French people. On that day, people were terrified, and also it's played a very vital role not only past but even today observed as National Day of France. There were rumors spread that King had ordered the army force to enter into the city and destroy the gathered people. If necessary, he has ordered open fire on citizens. So here this news has spread as a viral in among the French society. Because of these words, people became angry on king's words. So all people discussed this matter. Among them, some people they have to made a group that is 7,000 comprising of men and women gathered in front of town hall and decided to form a people's militia. Now, people's militia means this was a group who are opposed the king's army. They broke into a number of government buildings in search of arms. Finally, people attacked on Bastille Palace where they hoped to find the collection of ammunition and killed the commander of Bastille Palace and 7 prisoners released who kept in Bastille jail. After this, now Bastille was hated by all because it stood for despotic power of the king. Despotic power means arbitrary power. So here people demolish all the Bastille walls and its will be broken as a pieces are stone fragments where they sold in the markets in the memory of its Bastille destruction. So here we will come to know how much they have to anger towards the king, that they have to shown by storming the Bastille Palace. So after some days, what happened, how the situation was there in French, that is, we saw a more violent both in Paris and countryside. Most people were protesting against the high price of bread. This is the main trouble what they are facing in French. What is that? High price of bread. This they have to ignore, and they have to become concentration on that matter what the king has given order on the city, immediately that military force. So because of that, what happened? People there's given more concentration on that situation less than this high price of bread. Much later, when historians looked back upon this time, they saw it as the beginning of the chain of events that ultimately led to the executions of the king in France. That means historians have said these are the events will be a trigger the rise of French Revolution. Which are those events we will find in the society, what happened in the society, how it was situated in that time, we will come to know in next topic, that is French society late 18th century. In this topic we will come to know who was the king ruled, how he was, what happened in his period, we will come to know. So France king Louis XVI, he has came to power in 1774. He belongs to Bourbon family. At the age of 20 years old, he married Marie Antoinette, who is Austrian princess. Empty treasury was found during his period. Why has found empty treasury during his period? What happened? Some reasons are there. That is, first one, long years of war. And king was helped the 13 American colonies to gain their independence from Britain. And the third point, here too much expensive maintaining is there the palace Versailles. Because of three major reasons, we have to found an empty treasury during the Louis XVI. Now, lender who gave a loan to France, they charged the 10% interest because it will be rise the debt, that is 2 billion livres. When they increased the 2 billion livres, then who has given, I told you before only, who has to lender the loans to the France, they raised the rate of interest that to 10%. So now government has been troubled how we have to gain the economy, because this starvation government not have any amount to pay the interest amount what the lenders has put it on them. Now also they needed to maintain the day-to-day works, that is to meet the regular expenses such as the cost of maintaining an army, the court, running government offices, colleges, universities. So by this, king has thinking how we have to gain the money now to pay the interest for the lenders. So because of that, he has thinking we should increase the taxes. We should increase the more taxes on people. So this is about the topic. First, what are the problems they faced, and they have to got the solution by imposing more taxes on people. So in the next class, we will learn what are the taxes are there and how the society was divided in French society, and what are the taxes as they have to introduce to only for the some classes. We will come to know in the next class. Thank you everyone.